What's up, guys? Hey, I always said I was gonna start a back to the basics series, basically oil changes, tire changes, small stuff that any male or female will be able to do to save money. So today, first thing I got is a tire. So I pulled my van out literally all of 5 minutes and got a flat. So pulled the spare out, aired it up, and now I'm about to show you all how to change the tire. So what you're gonna need is a spare tire or donut, whichever one, a jack. I have an impact, but you're gonna need a socket set or tire iron that came with your car. Now, for mounting, you would be mounting this jack on something hard like the frame. So I'm gonna be mounting here. Don't try to mount here on a fender, on a door, because it could just crumble. I've seen it happen. I did it personally when I didn't really know, but yeah, you live and you learn. So let me go ahead and get my jack and then get started. First thing you're gonna do, put your brake on. All right, the van is sitting too low, so I'm gonna jack from the front. Next, got a cap off. You would do this part with a screwdriver, but I got something interesting for this tool I'm gonna show you all in the next video. This is a 19 or 21. Actually forgot. So 22 look like. Which I don't even think I brought. All right, so a 22 mil was not on here, so sucks this up using tire iron. So what you gotta do is let the wheel back down a little bit so you can have some traction when you try to turn this lug nut. So yeah, let's do that. I actually broke that one loose already. Now we can jack it up there. Wheel stuck on, it's a trick that works. Hold your fender, kick it. Now, in case the hydraulic jack or cylinder jack, whatever, fails, the wind blow, worst case scenario, just throw your tire under the car. In case it fall, it won't fall on you. Throw our spare on. hydraulic jack down, serial jack, or whatever jack you might be using. Tighten her up. Yes.
Are you putting that wheel?
Come here. Logan, come here.
Now, set to roll. Next video is going to be how to plug a flat tire. So, stay tuned for it. I'm out.